Hello, future Redhawks. My name is Mrs. Spano, and I'm the curriculum coordinator of the science department. And I'm here to give you some fun science activities that you can do right from home with all stuff you have from home. I'm sad that we won't be together this year at forensic science camp or any type of science camp that we offer, but we hope to see you next year. But for now, enjoy doing these fun things at home. So the first one is simple. All you need is a candle, a plate or a dish, which I'm using this weighing dish here, but you could use a plate. A plate would work fine. A candle that can stand up on its own, but if all you have is a birthday candle, you can use that and maybe stick a little Play-Doh in it to make it stand, because the candle has to stand on its own. Or you could use a little tea light candle, any kind of candle you want. And make sure that you have some adult supervision during this, because we are gonna work with matches as well, okay, to light the candle. So what we're gonna do is, I have a beaker full of water here, and just to make it fun and easier for you to see, I'm gonna add a few drops of green food coloring. So this is just water, but it's green. It'll look a little cooler. And I'm going to pour a little into my dish. Sort of fills the bottom of the dish. Okay? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light the candle, and as soon as I light the candle, I'm gonna place the flask over the candle. And then I want you to watch and see what happens. Okay, here we go. So I'm lighting the match. As soon as I get the candle lit, I want to be able to place the beaker or the flask over. The flame is still going. What do you see happening? The flame went out and the water moved from the bottom of the dish up into the flask. Do any of you know why? This is something you're going to get into more in depth when you're in high school, chemistry class, for instance. It has to do with the pressure on the outside of the flask versus the pressure on the inside of the flask. The pressure on the outside is greater than the pressure on the inside, and so the water is moving up so that the pressure on the inside can become greater to equal the pressure on the outside. So feel free to try this at home. Again, all you need is a candle, a plate, and some sort of cup. You could even use a cup, since you probably don't have Erlenmeyer flasks at home, and try it for yourself. It's very cool. See you later, future Redhawks.